The factory floor hums with a new kind of energy, an energy that signifies a shift in how we perceive manufacturing. Machines move with precision and speed, performing tasks once thought impossible for automation. These robots are not just tools, they are revolutionizing the way we produce goods. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of robotics in the 21st century. The advancements we are witnessing are nothing short of extraordinary. But is this the beginning of a new era for industries worldwide, or are we standing on the precipice of an uncertain future? The implications are vast and complex. The rapid advancement of technology has brought us face to face with a pivotal question, one that could redefine the workforce as we know it. Will robots replace human workers entirely, or will they simply change the nature of work, creating new opportunities and challenges? Or will they become valuable tools, augmenting our capabilities and propelling industries to new heights? The potential for collaboration is immense. The answers, my friends, lie in understanding the multifaceted world of robotics and its potential impact on the future of industries. We must explore both the promises and the perils. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of robotics, exploring its implications for industries across the globe. Together, we will uncover the truth behind the hype. We will unravel the advantages and disadvantages, uncover real-life applications, and confront the challenges that lie ahead. The journey promises to be enlightening. Prepare to be amazed by the transformative power of robotics and its potential to reshape the future of work as we know it. The dawn of a new industrial era is upon us. Like any transformative technology, robotics presents a mix of advantages and disadvantages that must be carefully considered. The impact of robotics is far-reaching, affecting various aspects of our lives and industries. On the one hand, robots offer unparalleled precision, speed, and efficiency, surpassing human capabilities in many tasks. They can handle repetitive and dangerous tasks with ease, ensuring safety and consistency. They can work tirelessly without breaks, improving productivity and reducing errors. This relentless efficiency can lead to higher output and better quality products. Industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare have already witnessed significant benefits from incorporating robots into their workflows. In healthcare, for instance, robotic surgery allows for minimally invasive procedures with greater precision. However, the rise of robotics also raises concerns about job displacement. The fear of losing jobs to machines is a significant issue that cannot be ignored. As robots become increasingly sophisticated, they threaten to automate tasks traditionally performed by human workers. This could lead to a shift in the job market, requiring workers to adapt and acquire new skills. This shift could lead to widespread unemployment and exacerbate existing social inequalities. The challenge lies in balancing technological advancement with social responsibility. Moreover, the high initial investment costs of implementing robotic systems can be prohibitive for some businesses, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises. These businesses may struggle to compete with larger companies that can afford such investments. From automotive assembly lines to operating rooms, robots are already making their mark across various industries, revolutionizing the way we work and live. In manufacturing, robots perform repetitive tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly with speed and accuracy, ensuring consistent quality and efficiency. This frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production, fostering innovation and improving job satisfaction. Amazon, for instance, utilizes robots in its warehouses to sort and package orders, significantly increasing efficiency and reducing delivery times, which enhances customer satisfaction. In healthcare, surgical robots assist surgeons in performing minimally invasive procedures with enhanced precision and control, leading to better patient outcomes. These robots allow for smaller incisions, reduced blood loss, and faster recovery times for patients, making surgeries less daunting and recovery smoother. The Da Vinci surgical system, for example, has revolutionized minimally invasive surgery, enabling surgeons to perform complex procedures with greater dexterity and control, pushing the boundaries of what is medically possible. Now let's talk about the challenges in robotics implementation. One of the major hurdles is the high initial cost. Many businesses find it difficult to justify the upfront investment. Additionally, there's the complexity of integration. Robotic systems need to seamlessly blend with existing processes, which can be quite a task. Another challenge is the need for skilled personnel. Operating and maintaining advanced robotics requires specialized knowledge, which isn't always readily available. Finally, there's the issue of adaptability. Robots need to be flexible enough to handle varying tasks and environments, which is not always easy to achieve. Moving on to how robotics is transforming industries. In manufacturing, robots have revolutionized assembly lines, making production faster and more efficient. The healthcare sector has also seen significant advancements, with robots assisting in surgeries and patient care. In agriculture, robotics is helping to increase yields and reduce labor costs. Moreover, the logistics industry has benefited immensely, with robots optimizing warehouse operations and delivery processes. In essence, robotics is not just a technological advancement, it's a catalyst for industry-wide transformation.